Hello, Matthew the Kuibo Chuan. Finally, Senki TV News is a Matthew Lang video Kuibo. Matthew Lang Gang Crabo is a Fung Juan Lankine. Dima was Wanga, this is a Matthew Huapo King, Jovera, and a good video I said that is a Mikey Lat, Mikilan, it is a Dinkane, the Gano to side, my Zaddi wants to participate to Bravo Bamjinga so. Is a land you did Maza, my land, you think native say right. Ani Suba Nbiuky Angling Fest 2025 si amuka pangthokadauri laiba March ki tang 35 dagi tang 12 fawa pangthokani sigi festival se Rianglong haibu khunda Tamai subdivision Tamenglong district ki makhada leiba adugi khunda pangthokadobane sigi program si Liangmai Nature Club amasung Save the River Foundation haiba group ani sina punjin laga sigi festival se sin bane sigi face sida professional angler koi mayam lakadauri atopa state digi su aduna mayam lakpiyo sigi angling competition sida category ani suna khaido e ahan mana professional category amasung amateur category haina ani laye professional category gi damak ta prize first prize gi damak 1 lakh rupees thame second prize gi 50,000 laye third prize gi di thamde adubu 10 consolation prizes lawjagani amateur category gi sina first prize gi 30,000 thame second prize gi 15,000 aduga 10 consolation prizes haina prizes silaga laye aduna mayam laaga surgyau biyo nangi hidden talent nangna haijaba nangi ngamjaba nangna angling da nangi haijaba do mayam mamang da laga utpiyo haibado senki tv degi mayam ko jabane sigi competition se catch and release ne phabaga on ga kg on ga dawne on laga muga thado ko dawne sida phangbi ga daw barak sida phangbi ga daw nga mayam sina varieties of fish first tor barake masir ani subada eel frida catfish for the carps common in grass do phangbi ga ne sida maru oina first priority pi ga daw se masir dane masir habase tor barake professional category gi damakta barake haba nga se faragadi minimum 1 kg adugi mathakta lawjagani aduga amateur category gi damakta barake haba nga se minimum 500 gram haibane adugi mathakta ongani adugi mathakta lawgani aduga special prizes haba ma thamjariye sidi karino haba ganda barake haba nga na taba atopa faraga su kg ani gi mathakta oiba nga oiradi koina adugi damak price thambigani price lejagani pudinga lodging gi matang da haijage puding se adudo hotel legani cha ki su legani cha gi oro coffee gi oro red tea sangom gi oro loina phangani aduda ten se mi single gi oro double gi oro phangbigani aduda laraga part 10 da lupa chani chani lawgani aduna mayam lakpiyu mayam sigi ani suba Nbiuky Angling Fest 2025 si mayam la aga mapung pahan se habise senki tv digi mayam bo invite to jabane aisu lakani mayam su lakpiyo handak di aisu sungsoi soiduna lakani habise mayam da ajabane thank you.
Welcome back to the second Nbiuky or Barak Angling Fest 2025, scheduled to be held from the 18th of March to the 21st of March 2025. It is being held at Rianglong Village from Tamai subdivision of Tamenglong district, Manipur, and also from the banks of Ntuma of Peren district of Nagaland state. This event is being organized by the Liangmai Nature Club in association with the Save the River Foundation. These are some of the steps taken by us to boost the economy of the villages around the Nbiuky or the Barak river system, as well as to show responsible means of fishing and fishing as a sport. It is one act of faith in conserving, preserving nature and ecosystem around us. And yes, not forgetting all the anglers who are angling for the sport of it, for the love of the hobby. And you are all welcome. Come and have a time of your life. And wait, The golden catch will again be the mahasir, tor, barake, and many more species of this beautiful Nbiuky and Barak river system. And finally, anglers, just to remind you, lots and lots of cash prizes to be won. So welcome here. Now I'm standing here at the river bank. This is the angling site which the villagers have been preserving, and I bet you this will be different from the first angling that we had 2 years back. Welcome. Thank you.
Rianglong Manipur Panai Tuma Nagaland Namnia Natinkum Mangyu Zorok Azai Zakha Hachi Prizap to Hamibu Azai Hachi Zakha Kadi Dibu Zakha Pazat Wajuga Puibamine Chenan Taikum Liangmi Nurture Club Madongkando Alu Namnia Namalum Kaya Haiga Angling Festival Mars Tarek Grizuki Wanam Kakakilunga Kading Hajibame Liang Madongkang Manipur Nagaland Masai Tam Tambu Wonga Sui Hi Nang Haibamga Wonglo number 2 Habu Festival Gazo Hairaleng Wong Halo Dipsi Kukai Suranamaga Wong Mai Womandongleng Zabam Taji Baganga Bambu Pakyang Nasi Telukane Dipsi Rianglong Mugu Chairman Jinjabo Kalengta Inya Dimpakai